There are a lot of old engines out there running like new, and more often than not, it's because smart motor oil decisions were made along the way. How do you decide what motor oil is right for the life of your engine? That's what we're going to focus on right here, right now. Welcome to the AutoZone DIY Garage. Any experienced mechanic will tell you your car is only as good as its engine, and your engine is only as good as the oil running through it. So it's important that you choose the motor oil that's best for the way your engine's built, its stage of life, and the way you drive. So we're going to look at the four main types of oil and point out some of their particular advantages. And when we're through, you should come away with a pretty good idea which type works best for you. The first three types of motor oil are conventional, synthetic blend, and full synthetic. The fourth type is high mileage oil, which contains seal conditioners and extra additives to help reduce leaks, deposits, and wear. We always recommend high mileage once your vehicle passes 75,000 miles. There are some general quality and value considerations with each of these motor oil types, but there are other factors to consider as well. Things specific to you, like your personal everyday driving conditions and any manufacturer's recommendations that apply to the oil your engine is designed for. In fact, this would be a good time to stress that you should always make sure the oil you choose fits within the guidelines of your vehicle's owner's manual, including recommendations on viscosity, or how thick the oil is, and regular oil change intervals. Now let's take a closer look at the first type of oil we mentioned, conventional. Many cars on the road today can still use a conventional oil, and for some good reasons. Conventional oil is proven to do a good job of minimizing sludge and varnish deposits created by the combustion process in your engine. That's important because too much buildup can lead to performance problems like loss of power and reduced gas mileage. It's also a very effective lubricant. Most conventional oils contain components in the formula to help further reduce friction. The advantage of good lubrication is twofold. It protects you from metal-to-metal wear and helps keep your engine cool. So, if you're what we call a normal driver who does most of your driving on highways, paved roads, and relatively dust-free environments, and your owner's manual doesn't call for synthetic oil, you'd probably find conventional motor oil to be a good choice, and certainly a value-conscious one. If you're looking for a little more protection, you may want to consider a synthetic blend. Synthetic blend oil is exactly what it sounds like, a combination of conventional and synthetic oil. And again, there are value considerations in these choices. The idea is to determine what you need, so you don't end up paying for what you don't need in a motor oil. That'll help you decide between conventional, synthetic blend, and the oil type we'll discuss next. Full synthetic oil is formulated for maximum protection in extreme driving conditions. It is also required by some manufacturers in high performance, luxury, and other new vehicles. Did you know you may be considered a severe driver if you engage in frequent stop-and-go driving, lots of short trips, drive in a dusty environment, or do a lot of towing? These things put the most stress on your engine, and you may want to use the full synthetic for maximum protection. Full synthetic delivers the ultimate engine protection in all driving and performance circumstances. It's got superior cleaning properties, better lubrication protection from friction and engine heat, and performs consistently regardless of outside temperatures. Value-wise, you're going to pay more for a full synthetic, but performance-wise, you get more too. Now, a little more about high mileage motor oil. A high mileage formula is better for high mileage engines for several reasons. For one, seals become brittle over time. High mileage oils contain seal conditioners that can actually help rejuvenate aged seals and help prevent them from cracking and leaking. They also have more detergent power to clean the extra sludge buildup. Finally, high mileage oils have additional anti-wear agents to provide extra protection for worn or wearing parts. Did you know you can mix between conventional, synthetic, and high mileage at any time without harming your engine? In a pinch, you can even top off synthetic with a quart of conventional, high mileage, or vice versa. In summary, it's important to choose the right motor oil. While conventional oil is a good choice for many cars, some engines will perform better and last longer with high mileage or synthetic oils. Engines with over 75,000 miles especially will benefit from the extra additives and seal conditioners found in high mileage oils. Choosing synthetic oil is a good idea when driving in extreme hot, cold, or dusty conditions, or when you simply want the highest quality oil for your car. Understanding the difference between severe and normal driving is very important as it impacts oil change intervals, and always choose the oil that fits within the guidelines of your vehicle's owner's manual. Another smart decision is to consult with someone you trust. For more details on motor oil or anything else involving your car, be sure to talk to the experts at AutoZone. Remember, parts are just part of what we do.